What's up? How are you? If you notice, there is one app, or let me say an AI platform that has been trending for like 3 days now, and the name of the AI platform is DeepSeek. So, guys, I want to demonstrate and compare between DeepSeek and ChatGPT by just creating a simple game. So, I will instruct both ChatGPT and DeepSeek to create snake game. Do you understand? So let's see the one that will perform better. I already have my prompt, so I will input the same prompt inside ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So let's see how it goes. So I already have my Visual Studio Code that I will use to create run the game. I have my DeepSeek opened, and this is ChatGPT. Do you understand? So DeepSeek, ChatGPT. So let's see how it goes. So I will go to this place, copy the prompt. So I'm going to copy this prompt to DeepSeek. So let's read the prompt. Write a Python program to create a snake game using the Pygame library. The game should have the following features: a snake that moves in 4 directions, up, down, left, food that appears randomly on the screen and disappears. So I will run this. So let me run it. Let's see how it goes. It's going. So one thing about this DeepSeek is that if you give it a task, firstly analyze what you give it. Do you understand? It will analyze before it now gives you the solution. So this is the analysis, the thinking process. Do you understand? This is the thinking process. So after that, it will now create the code for you. Do you understand? I think this thing is amazing. It's really amazing. So while this one is loading, let's copy the same prompt inside. So as you can see, this is the thought process of deep thinking. As the name implies, this is deep thinking. So it analyzes all the functionality, how everything is going to be done. So if you want to learn how this thing is being coded, you just read all these stuff. You understand? You have deep of understanding of what you are trying to do. You understand? So see the thought process, before the code is now implemented here. So let's copy the code. We have practicalized that of ChatGPT. So let's do the one of DeepSeek. So I'm going to replace this code with that of DeepSeek. DeepSeek, sorry. So this is it. So I want you to judge in the comment which one is better. I will play that of ChatGPT again so that you'll be able to compare the one that is better. Now let's say the stuff will just disappear. You understand? But that of DeepSeek, when you hit the wall, this it will give you an instruction to restart. But this one, it will just disappear. Do you understand? So which one is better based on this little experiment? Which one do you think is better between DeepSeek and ChatGPT? So I want your opinion in the comment section.